The Inland Empire is home to a number of firms that have established themselves as industry leaders in manufacturing. Founded by Mauro Robles in 1958, Anita's Mexican Foods of San Bernardino has grown from modest roots into a powerhouse, now occupying over 350,000 square feet of warehouse and production space. Under the direction of the Robles family, the company produces a full line of tortilla chips, taco shells, and pellet snacks under co-pack and private label brands. Chief Growth Officer Mauro Gomez oversees the strategic direction of the company, identifying and cultivating partnerships to continue Anita's incredible trajectory. ELA Lighting Company of Corona is a bespoke lighting manufacturer, providing custom and architectural lighting to the hospitality, municipality, theme park, and high-end residential markets. Bill Grogan and the leadership team at ELA have earned the business of the world's best companies, including being the #1 provider of decorative themed lighting for Disney and Universal in their locations worldwide. As you can see, these companies represent the Inland Empire region's top talent in the manufacturing sector.